Guys, back with Chubbs Gamer, and today we are doing a Rubik's Cube video. I had nothing to do, so I just bring up, Rubik's Cube. So, yeah. So basically what we're going to be doing in this video, guys, is we're going to be, like, seeing how fast I could do one side of the Rubik's Cube. I could do two, but I only did it a few times because it's really hard. I cannot do the whole Rubik's Cube. Yeah, no. Nope. So, guys, I'm gonna be going to the timer, and I know I haven't been making a lot of videos lately because some stuff just went on, and yeah. So let's go into where the timer. Okay. Oof. Lock. Let's go, guys. Oh, I still have on for the 7-second challenge. Remember that? If you did. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I am back, and yeah. So I figured out you have to go to stopwatch. So I just took a little bit of time to eat dinner. I mean lunch. Sorry. What am I doing? Eating lunch. I mean dinner.
No, you ate lunch at school.
It was half day today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, today was half day because we have parent-teacher conference. My mom is going to see. And guys, I got honor roll. Yep, report card.
Mom said I was good. I got better.
Better?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, we have the Rubik's Cube right here, and we are gonna be starting and seeing how fast I could do this Rubik's Cube. So you're gonna be watching me. Let me just mix this up. I'm gonna turn on so no memorizing. As you guys can see. Okay, so I think it's all mixed up now.
Dad, I made it a little more mixed up. Sorry.
You can't make it a little bit more mixed up, right?
Like I mixed it in the morning when we were waiting for it.
No, you can't make it more mixed up.
Yeah, I played with it more where.
No. Okay, guys. So I have it here, and yeah, let's start. So let's ready, set. I'm gonna be doing yellow. Okay. Let me just get some time. Memorize. Okay, I got it. Ready, set, go. Yes. No, can I please be quiet because I'm gonna make a video. So guys, I have done it in 14 seconds. I did yellow, as you can see here. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of different colors. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a different color now. Maybe like, so it took 14.8, and we are gonna see in the end of the video how long it could take to do one side final. Yeah. So we're gonna reset, and I'm gonna be doing orange. Okay. Ready, set, and go. Misty, why are you here? This thing is not turning, it's turning. Done. Yes. It was actually 17 seconds, a little bit over, but let's reset. Let's keep on doing it. Yeah, let's start, guys. But Misty is here. Come here, Misty. No, Misty. She left me. Okay, so we're gonna start with I'm doing red, guys. So this is my red. Not that complete, as you could see. Okay, so guys, yeah, ready, set, start. White. No. Ah, no. I'm not doing that because I messed up. I'm like too overpressured, guys. I'm gonna be making another video today. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna be doing a different color. Yeah. Look at this. So guys, I'm gonna be doing white. As you can see here, white is now almost done. So let's go, guys. Ready, set, and go. Go. Yes. 11 seconds. White done. Let's go. Yes. Guys, so I did it in 11 seconds. White. So let's reset. And ready. Guys, I'm gonna be so guys, I know I have been making a lot of videos lately. I already said that though. But yeah. Guys, so I got a new thing for it. I got a drone. I got a drone, and I got this huge Nerf gun. I know we're gonna be making a lot of videos, like few actually, with Iyad and Hamza, probably Saturday, Sunday, this Saturday and Sunday, because I'm going to Sky Zone with them, guys. I know it's gonna be epic, or somewhere else. And we're going to New York this weekend too. And guys, brand news, I am getting a new iPhone. So I'm going to be vlogging with that now. Goodbye iPad. So it's an iPhone 6, 7, or 8. That's what my dad said. I know the Galaxy Samsung 9 just came out. 9 and 9 Plus. It just came out like a couple days ago. I really wanted that, but it's too late. Probably already bought it. So, guys, I'm gonna be doing green. And ready, set, go. Wait, oh, it's done. It's done. It's done, guys. I didn't realize that. I thought I had one more left. I got confused. So I had one more left. Got like a little confused there. And yeah. So I'm gonna pause this, guys. I'm gonna be doing a lot of Rubik's Cube things. And yes, 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 and guys, hey guys, I'm back, and I just got 7 seconds for red. So guys, so I think my high score, my final like average, not high score is like 5 seconds. Average is 10, probably 10. I think so, 10, because I got between 10, like 7, and then like 14, 13, but not in the 20s. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like of this video. And if you are not in the bus squad, if you're not, yep, get in the bus squad, guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.